This 3D print build took about 4.5 hours. I found these two surfboards lying around, and one has fins on it in the back, so I'm going to take off the fin and make sure one has each fin. And I use two of these boards so that it's extra stable, considering they're not paddle boards. This is what the guide is going to look like for the pole that is spinning the propeller. And I'm going to attach a drill to that front piece and then a propeller at the end.